many people who have not passed an exam, they are very successful at this time. You can take the example of physics wala. You know, one of the best teacher of India, and he is also a unicorn, Mr. Physics wala. You know, physics wala. So he has failed in 12th class. Now he is the most popular teacher of India, not only India but in foreign. So you can understand, he also failed or he passed only 12th class. Okay, but he used positively everything. It means I want to tell you, if you have any negative emotion, so don't worry, just check it out, take some time and think again. Think again and don't think about negative things. Think about positive things. If you are not able to understand, or if you are not being able to understand after getting emotions, it is out of your control. Like you are not being able to take any action, then you should take advice from your elders or from your parents, because they are experienced. They are more experienced than you. Then they can give you good advice. If you are in any relation, or if you are in any job, or if you are in any venture, if you are not able to take decision, you should discuss with your elders and experienced person. Then you should take action. Don't take action suddenly. Have some time, have some patience. Then talk to your elders. They can advise you very nicely, because they have what experience. As long as they are here, we should take benefit of them. As long as our elders, our grandparents, our teachers, our parents are here, we should take advice from them. As soon as you go to them, they feel happy. They will not ignore you. They will understand you are in problem, you are in fear. Then they will give you proper advice. Namaste guys, Jai Hind. Guys, today's video is going to be very knowledgeable for all of you. Why? Because in this video we will discuss about a very important topic of the world. Why I am telling this? Look at, first of all, look at what is the topic. How to control emotion. Then guys, today's topic is this: how to control our emotions. As we know, as long as we live on the earth, or as long as we survive on the earth, we create a lot of emotions. Everybody creates a lot of emotions. But what is today's topic? How to control those emotions. You know, thousands of people, lakhs of people, millions of people survive on the earth. So each and every moment we create emotions. We create or not. Sometimes we create happy emotions. Sometimes we create sad emotions. So everybody creates emotions. But now question is this: how to handle the emotions? Many people cannot handle the emotions. They take wrong decision. So in this video I will tell you how to control your emotions. Okay guys, so if you want to know, if you want to really know about emotions, how they function and how to control them, so please don't skip the video. Video may be long, I can understand. I will take your time, and time is very precious, but I can guarantee you I will not make your time waste. This video will not make your time waste. So please watch the video till the end. Now let's jump in to the topic. First point: positive and negative emotion. As I told you, every person creates positive as well as negative emotions. So whenever you have any negative emotion, think in positive emotion we don't have much problem, but sometimes it may also be harmful. Positive emotions may also be harmful sometimes, but first of all I want to tell you, when you create negative emotion, then how you should control them. I want to tell you, in our day-to-day life, as we know, we present time, it is called cutthroat competition. As we know, it is called cutthroat competition. So we create more than negative emotions. I can understand we also create positive emotions, but if I compare between positive or negative emotion, we create negative emotion more than. So you need to check it out. Whenever you get any negative emotion, so think, you should not think. Whenever you get any negative emotion, I am explaining you with an example. You know, at this time many students are preparing for exam. You know, present time many students are doing preparation of their exam. Suppose any student fails in exam in future, so what kind of emotion he has? He has negative emotion. Any student fails in any exam, so what kind of emotions he creates? He creates negative emotion. So he should understand, he should wait and think that if he has failed once or twice, no matter, I can understand it is very negative emotion. Many students can also commit suicide. I have seen many topper students, they commit suicide because what is their expectations? Their expectation is more than 90%. Even passing the exam, I have seen so many students, they take wrong decision and they commit suicide. What to tell about failed student? So even passing should be the positive emotion or not? Like if any student passes in exam, so it should be the positive emotion. Even after passing, they commit suicide because just in the starting I told you na, sometimes positive emotions may also be harmful. So it is an example. Even after passing with 80% and 85%, some students, I will not say you many students, some students commit suicide. What is the reason? Because their expectations were more than what they achieved. So that time they should understand and they should take advice from their parents. If you are failed one time, so what so? Next time you can also try. Are you getting? Many people who have not passed an exam, they are very successful at this time. You can take the example of physics wala. You know, one of the best teacher of India, and he is also a unicorn, Mr. Physics wala. You know physics wala. So he has failed in 12th class. Now he is the most popular teacher of India, not only India but in foreign. So you can understand he also failed or he passed only 12th class. Okay, but he used positively everything. It means I want to tell you, if you have any negative emotion, so don't worry, just check it out, take some time and think again and don't think about negative things, think about positive things. Are you getting? So in positive emotion, if anybody is thinking wrong, so it is bad. You know why people think wrong in positive emotions? Because their expectation is higher than that result. That's the problem. So try to create positive emotion and try to maintain positive emotion. Okay, so everybody creates positive and negative emotions. First condition is this. Second is think before taking any action. Think before taking any action. What is the second point? As we know, after emotions, after getting emotions, everybody takes some action. As I gave you example of a student. When a student passes in any exam, he gets very excited, doesn't he? He gets very excited and he gives party and he gives some treats. So it is called what? Happy decision. He got the happy decision. Then what kind of action he takes? He goes to any hotel with friends and they celebrate with their success. Isn't it? So positive emotion has some celebration and negative emotion has some sorrowness and some upsetness. So before, in positive emotions you get some parties and you go to hotel and you get together with your friends and talks to each other. In negative emotion also you should not be upset. If you get any negative, suppose if you don't get job, and present time many people are looking for job, because after COVID many people are unemployed. They are looking for jobs and they are trying. So if you don't get job today, so is it possible you will not get tomorrow? If your today is not good, so tomorrow will be better and the after tomorrow will be the best. Think like this. So take any emotions action is up to you. If you think now that anybody else is responsible for your action, it is not correct. You are only who is responsible for your action. So after creating any emotion, take proper action. Don't take any wrong action. In glamour words, in Bollywood, even after getting success, they don't take good action because they get emotions, so they can't control their emotion, so they take wrong action. Recently we have seen, Tunisha Sharma, she has committed suicide. Why? Because her emotions were negative. Her emotions were negative. That's why she took this decision, because she couldn't control her emotions. Not only Tunisha, but also many celebrity. If we go to flashback, then we can find. So what are the reasons of disease? Many people present time in India, not only India but in the universe, many people are suffering from many disease. And what is the cause of disease? Their emotions. What is the reason of blood pressure and heart attack and diabetes? Only our emotions, because emotionally we are not fit. That's why our body, how our body works. Our body works with our emotions. If our emotions are good, so we are fit. Our emotions are bad, so we are unfit or sick or ill. So after creating emotions, we should take action proper way, not inappropriate way. Third point, take advice from your elders and seniors. It is also the best point. How to control emotion. Okay, so before taking any action, any wrong action, once you should discuss with your parents or elder or teachers or any advisor. So it is very important to control our emotions, because after getting emotion we take any action, and emotion creates action. So how should be our action? Our action should be proper. Our deeds should be good. Okay, so it was the video about how to control emotions. So guys, if you like my videos, so please like, share and subscribe, and believe in God. If you don't have anybody with you, don't worry, God is always with you. If you think any elder, any parents or any advisor do not help you, don't worry, God will help you. But wait, don't be hurry, don't be hurry. Okay, and in comment box you can write if you like video, or if you have any query, if you have any question about how to control emotions, you can write in comment box. I would like to give you answer. I will not ignore your comment. I would like to give you answer. Believe in God and yourself. That's it for today. Jai Hind.